Hi guys, and welcome to Farm Boys Railway. So today we're going to be building our free 00 scale yard office plastic kit, which comes with the January issue of Railway Modeller. So let's get this open and have a look, shall we? Remove that from there. Okay, so this seems to be just one sheet inside. Come on. There we go. No, that's it. Okay, so it looks like we've got our two end walls, our rear, our front, chimney, assuming, yep, roof tiles, doors, windows. So, I'm going to have a look inside the magazine and have a look for our instructions. So, I've got the instructions. I've cut out all of the parts and sanded that down because I'm pretty sure you guys don't really want to watch someone cutting out a sprue. So, step 1 was cut it all out. Step 2, get rid of the flash. Step 3, start assembly by joining one of the ends to one of the sides. Hold the two pieces together, then run a small amount of solvent along the inside of the joint as illustrated. Okay, so let's start here, shall we? So we have this part and this part. Let's get our extra thin glue. So hold the two pieces together and then run some solvent down the inside. Just like that. I'm going to make a second pass on this. And hopefully this should fill out and stick. Like so. So I'm just going to give that a little push down on each side to make sure it's flat, level. Okay, so we have our first two walls together. Step 4, the other side and end are then attached to complete the basic shell. Okay, so I'm assuming what we'll do is just put this to one side for now. So the same again with these two parts. Yep. So one pass, second pass. Make sure they're flush on the bottom. So our next step then would be to get these two pieces together like so. So let's take our glue again, and this is kind of awkward to do. Okay, so let's get this at a different angle. Might not be able to get this on camera because it's a bit of a pain. Yeah, I'm going to have to do that separate and then push together, I think. Okay, and then let's do the same on the other side. Okay, so there is our basic structure. just like that. Okay. So our next part is to assemble our chimney stack now that we've created our first bit here. So we have one piece down here, and there's a little 45-degree angle on the top here. So let's get a tiny smidgen of glue on there. Get that to rest in. Do the same again here. Get this part to rest in. So that's 2 out of 3. And hopefully should be able to put a splodge there and a smidgen there. Just like that. Okay, so let's just make sure that's all squared. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with that. Not the most perfect job I've ever done, but just need to get a tiny smidgen in here. Moved it too much. There we go. Okay. So we have that part. And then along the top, small bead of glue to add to the top of our chimney. Like so. Okay. Okay, so after this, I just need to go and have a read. I'll be back in a second. Okay, so there's actually no mentioning in the magazine whatsoever about adding the roof onto this. So from what I can figure out, we add the chimney pot, then we add the roof. I think. Seems to be a bit of an issue with railway modelers' instructions here, but I can't. Yeah, that's the only way I can see of doing this. So let's get a small bead of glue down the middle. And insert this onto the side of our building. So that's that attached. Then go ahead and add our first sections of our roof. So we should have one here and one on the other side. Okay, so I'm going to run just a small amount of glue up each side. And along the bottom. Then rest this on top. Okay. So that is our first half on. And then repeat the same for the other side. Get this on here, like So I've just pulled the roof off the other side. There we go, just like that. Just hold that for a minute. Okay. Now to add the top, I'm just going to run some glue straight down the middle and plonk that on top. Give it a little push down just to make sure it is definitely seated. Okay. That is the main part of our building complete. So, whilst I wait for all this to dry, I'm going to cut away and paint our door and our window. Now we've got our door and our window painted, let's get them fitted inside. So it's a nice and simple process to do this. Let's get our glue back again. And it is simply a case of running a piece of glue around the outside and sliding it in. So, little glue just around the outsides. Let's slide that into our building, like so. Make sure that's nice and flush. And we just hold that there for a second. Okay. And same with the window. Just a bit of glue around the outside, then pop it in from the rear. So. And that's our window installed. Just hold that there for a minute, like so. So, now our door and our window are installed, our last bits to do are our bits of guttering and our bits of downpipe. These are fairly straightforward to do. It's just a case of adding some glue onto it and placing it up underneath. So let's get that done now, shall we? I'll probably do this on this piece rather than add the glue onto this piece rather than onto the building. If this doesn't work, then I'll swap it around for the other piece. That about there. Move that in slightly. Looks to be about right. And then I'll actually try this the other way around on this piece. Run the glue down the building and place the piece on that side. That's actually given a much better finish. There we go. So wonder if I can get this piece off actually. If I can get this off, I'll re-glue it. Yeah, I should be able to get that. So, definitely the second form of gluing. Much, much better, much neater. He says now not being able to get it glued back on. Okay. There we go. Sorted. And then to add the downpipes, they just go into the corners apparently. Is there a right way around for these? Okay, so these seem to just go on the end. Put one there, and we'll put one here. And there we have it. I've still yet to paint it all up and stuff, but I just wanted to get this video made because I've been waiting to do it for quite a while. So that's how to build the, what do we call it? The 00 scale yard office plastic kit, which came free with January's issue of Railway Modeller. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys again soon.